Welcome, a quick review on eero Pro 6 tri-band Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. If you want to pick this up or know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below, and please subscribe to watch more reviews. So you could get a few of these, even the previous model. Link them together, you will have one SSID and one password. Move around your house with the same Wi-Fi name and password. These work really well. You won't even know when you've gone from the main router to the secondary node. The only way to set these up, you have to use the app. There is no web interface for these. So if you do like to set things up through the computer, these are not for you. As it says here, speeds up to a gigabit. Covers up to 190 meters. So here in the UK, I'm with Virgin Media, 1 gig down and 52 up. You don't have to buy 2 or 3. You could just buy one by itself and use it by itself, because each one is a router as well. You will need a modem. Another thing to mention, these will not increase your speeds. The speed you are subscribed to, if you're subscribed to 500 or 1 gig, that's the speed you will get. You will not get any more speed than that. The reason I mention that, because on my other reviews, I have done other home networking videos, people do ask these questions, so I thought I'll cover them in this video. So this is what's included inside. We get a quick start guide. That's all there is. You just download the app, unplug your modem, begin and discover. It's really easy to use. Get some warranty information, a type C power supply here. It's 27 watts if anyone's interested. The actual unit, it does have a bit of weight to it, some branding there. At the back we get 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. They are auto sensing, so you could use any to connect to your modem, and the type C port. At the bottom we have some information. So as I mentioned before, setup is really simple. So it's letting me know that the hallway node is set up, and then the secondary node, it even lets you know if you have it in the right place. So as it says here, nice, your placement is looking good. Then it will give you an option to buy extra security, where you will have to pay for that, which I think you shouldn't have to. If you're paying this kind of money, it should come included. And then on the right hand side, you could see it does speed test as well. So I have 955 down and 52 up, and here it's letting me know that my internet speed is ultra fast. I could stream multiple things in 4K. So there are 2 ways to use this. The first one is called wireless backhaul. The main router is connected to the modem, and then the secondary one, you place it somewhere and it communicates wireless. If you had a dual band system, it will reduce your speed a lot if you were to use wireless backhaul. I did try the TP-Link X60, and because they were dual band, they did not really work out for us, so I returned them. With these, because they have a third band, they were slightly better. However, there are some manufacturers like Netgear and Asus, they use a dedicated band. So you'd have 3 bands, but 1 band you cannot use. That is dedicated to communicate with the node. So router to node takes a minimum drop in your speed. The second way to use this is called a wired backhaul. So you would use an Ethernet port from the main router to the node. That way you will not lose any speed at all, even if you have a dual band system. So if you're building a mesh system, or if you're going to update yours, if you're going to use it wireless, I will definitely recommend get a tri-band. However, if you're going to use Ethernet backhaul, a dual band system is fine for you, and it's a lot cheaper as well. But do go for the Wi-Fi 6 system, because there is definitely benefits to using Wi-Fi 6, because it's less congested and you get more speed. More than speed, it's stability. The system will be more stable. Okay, so we had this set up as wireless backhaul. I had the main unit in the hallway and the other one in the bedroom. We didn't experience any dropouts. However, we use a lot of internet in our house. Sometimes all of us could be on the internet at the same time. So that's like someone could be streaming, we could be on a Zoom call, my son would be playing his PlayStation or Xbox, kids would be doing their homework online. That's when we noticed that the signal strength would drop. There is a way around that. The way around that is I buy more. But then the thing is, having too many, first of all, can slow your speeds down. But to be fair to Amazon, they do not claim that they give you blazing fast speeds like some manufacturers do. If you have a large home, I would recommend look elsewhere because you will need a lot more of these. In my house, I will need around 4 to 5. That will put the cost up a lot. I have seen another system that I'm looking at the moment. I may buy that. It is slightly expensive. That does have a faster processor in, so that may be able to cope a lot better than this did for us. If you do have under 1 gig connection and your house isn't as big, you can't go wrong with these. If you are on 1 gig or above, I'd look elsewhere. My search continues. If you do have this system or the previous one or the new one, which is the Wi-Fi 6E, do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I hope this video helped someone out. If it did, give it a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.